Hello, this is Sonia from my Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Just setting up for our new verses this month. This month we are memorizing 4 verses about the Word of God. And obviously we're doing week 1 now. And this is Psalm 19 verse 7. And it says, "The law of the Lord is perfect, reviving the soul. The testimony of the Lord is sure, making wise the simple." And here we already have 2 promises about the law of the Lord, and the law is a different word for the Word of God, because in the Old Testament the Word of God was the law. So it's first of all reviving the soul. So if you are downcast, you're hopeless, you feel depressed, spend some time in the Word of God. It will revive your soul, and also it will make you wise. People might think you're simple. In the world's eyes, you'll be simple. You might have a simple understanding about something, but if you spend time in the Word of God and you ask for wisdom, you'll become wise, which is different than knowledgeable. Wise is something we receive from the Word of God and from Jesus himself. So this is the verse we're going to put behind our daily section. Our old daily verse we're going to put behind the even section, so you can memorize it on the even days of the week. Your old even verse you can put behind the odd section, and your old odd verse you can put behind the weekly section. Okay, let's do Sunday. I'm not 100% sure where we was last time. Doesn't really matter. You can put it in any day of the week. And then your old Sunday verse, you can put in your monthly section, any day of the month, or you can just do it from day 1 unto 31. I'm just going to put it anywhere because I have memorized quite a lot of scripture over the years. So it doesn't really matter where I put it. There is many scriptures everywhere. So when it comes to, for instance, tomorrow is the 1st. Actually, I'm just going to look behind the first, and I can see, oh yes, all my verses I just need to revise, which I've memorized over the years. And obviously I'm going to zone in my daily verse, which is the verse we are just looking at now. I'm going to do, tomorrow is the odd day, so I'm going to do the odd verse. And then, tomorrow is Monday, so I'm going to concentrate on the Monday verse also. So this is a way for you to be able to memorize scripture on a consistent basis. So I'm going to take my book, and I'm going to go to my verses I've memorized about 3 years ago about the Word of God. If you want to pick up my bundle for the Word of God, this is more or less how it looks. You can decorate your pages. There's some meditation sheets. I've done some pointers, what I got from each verse. So tomorrow morning I will probably get a new sheet and stick it over there, because I have revised it previously. So yeah, just to give me a new opportunity to revise it. So yeah, I hope it goes well. May it be a blessing to you, this next 4 verses. It's just such a reminder of how powerful the Word of God is. God bless.